Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I am here with a haul video. It's been a minute since I've done a haul video on my channel, so that's what I'm bringing you guys today. I'm doing a Shopmissa haul. So if you guys are not familiar with Shopmissa, basically they sell a whole lot of makeup products for $1, but they not only carry makeup products, they also have makeup tools, they have nail tools, nail polishes, things like that. They also have accessories, jewelry. Yeah, so if you guys love Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure you will love Shopmissa. Now, a lot of things on their website is either going to be a hit or a miss because, you know, it's only $1 and everything is not just going to be the best product, so keep that in mind. So yeah guys, I've shopped with Shopmissa before, but it's been about 3 years, and I believe I still have that haul video up on my channel. If I have not put it on private, I'm interested in seeing what I purchased, and of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so I have to be honest, I could not wait to open this package. So I received it in the mail on yesterday and I opened it last night. So yeah, this is not like an official unboxing because I've already looked at pretty much everything that's in here, but let's go ahead and get into what I ordered. The first thing that I ordered is this cute little pill box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. So this is the pill box. It is like a light pink and clear, and in here I will probably put like goodie powders or BCs in the top portion, and then at the bottom part is where you can actually put the actual pills. So I thought this was really cute to have, and it was only $1. Right now when I get pills I just keep them in the regular little bottles, but this would be really convenient to keep in my purse, so I picked this up, and of course it was only $1. Okay guys, so the next thing I have in here is these AOA Studio Makeup Remover Wipes, and I did get this in the scent Rose Water. I've never tried Shopmissa Makeup Remover Wipes, and I decided to go with this pack, and it does have 15 wipes in here. So for $1, 15 wipes, that's pretty good. So the next thing I purchased is this cute little wallet. It's like this yellow holographic wallet. I hope it's picking up on camera, but just thought it was really cute. And it is time for me to switch out my little wristlet that I have in my purse right now, so I thought this was great for the price, and it's super pretty, so I picked this up. So the next thing I picked up is this AOA Studio Wonder Blender. So this was $1.55, and I believe the 55 cents would actually go to like a charity or something like that. So I've heard so many good things about this beauty blender, the Papa edition. I've heard so many good things, so I cannot wait to try this out. And I believe Taisha here on YouTube, she does a lot of affordable makeup tutorials, and she is bomb, and I watch a lot of her videos. So she talked about this beauty blender and quite a few other people, so I cannot wait to try this out. And I have never owned a real beauty blender before because I'm just not about to spend $20 on a beauty blender. So I have been working with the Real Technique sponges, and they have been perfect for me, so I can't wait to give this a try for $1. So I'm excited, and this is the super soft sponge. So the next thing I picked up are these cute little rhinestones here for nails. If you guys are new to my channel, you probably don't know that I am into like the DIY, like press-on nails. I have a whole playlist, so if you guys are interested in stuff like that, I will leave the playlist probably linked up in the cards. But I have these cute little rhinestones for your nails, and I thought they were going to be a lot bigger than this, but they are kind of small, which is completely fine. And there are quite a few in here, if you can see, so I cannot wait to try these out. So I picked up these for $1. Next things I have in here are some lashes. Now if y'all are familiar with my channel, y'all know I have struggled with putting on lashes. Like, I just cannot do it to save my life, but I have not given up just yet. So I want to try out a few pair of their lashes, and these are their 3D faux mink lashes, and I cannot wait to try these out. Taisha also showed a demo of her putting on these lashes, and they were bomb, so I had to pick up a few. So I picked up 3 different kinds. So this pair right here is in Lydia, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and these are the lashes. And yes, they are very dramatic, but I want to give them a try. So I have this pair, and these were like $155 because they are a part of the AOA Studio collection. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a part of the Pawpaw collection as well. So the 55 cents or the 80 cents does go towards charity. So I have this pair here. I also have this pair of Gaia. I'm pretty sure I am butchering these names, but I will leave it here in the video. And this is that pair. And these are super cute as well and dramatic. But if you're not going dramatic, what are you doing? And if I am going to rock lashes, I want it to be known that I am rocking lashes. So I have these super dramatic lashes as well. And the last pair of lashes I have are, well, I have 2 pair of lashes, and they are the same name. These are the Brianna, and these are super cute as well, if you can see. And I would say these are probably the most dramatic, like, out of all of them. So I picked up 2 of these, and I cannot wait to try these lashes out, y'all. So I picked up 4 pair of lashes, and I also picked up the lash glue, and I have heard quite a few good things about this as well. So I have this lash glue, and this was $188. So I cannot wait to try them lashes out, y'all. So wish me luck. I also picked up these blotting papers. There's 50 sheets in here, and if you guys don't know, I am oily. Like, my skin is just completely oily all the time, 24/7. So I thought this would be good to have. I've never tried blotting sheets before, so I cannot wait to try these out. And I've heard quite a few good things about these as well, so I had to pick them up. I also picked up a makeup brush. This is actually the AOA Studio F19 brush, and Taisha always brag about this brush in her videos for like highlighting, and I had to pick it up because I do love highlighting. And the bristle is very soft, but not too soft. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this brush out, so I had to pick this up. The next thing I picked up is this cute little makeup bag. It is time for me to switch out my makeup bags too, and for, I believe this was like $155, or it might have been $1 as well. So this is what the makeup bag looked like. It just has perfume, lipsticks, eyelashes, and things like that on the cover, and I just thought it was super cute. I'm probably going to order some more of these from their site as well, just to have them. The last few items I have are in this bag right here. So the next thing I picked up is this nail tool. I actually picked this up so I can apply the rhinestones that I showed you guys. So this is this cute little, I think this is actually for like making dots on your nails and the signs and stuff like that. So I picked this up, and it was just $1. I also picked up this cute little hand sanitizer. I just thought this was the cutest thing because it has this little cupcake here, and I love chocolate cupcakes. So I love this packaging on this hand sanitizer, and the scent that I have this hand sanitizer in is cherry. So I just thought this was cute to throw in my purse as well, but I absolutely love the packaging, so I picked this up. So last but not least, I picked up a few nail polishes that I want to add to my collection. So these are the LA Colors Nail Duo. So each one comes with 2 polishes. So this one right here is in the shade Peanut Butter and Jelly, well, PB&J, and I just love this nude shade here and the gold glitter. So I cannot wait to try these out. And to be honest with you, looking at it on a site, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than this, but it's okay, I can't complain. It was only $1, so I can't wait to try this out. So the last one I picked up is in Peace and Quiet, and I thought it was a beautiful. I thought it was a really beautiful blue shade, and I love that glitter in here as well. So I cannot wait to try these out. And I believe that is all the items I picked out. Those are all of the items that I ordered from Shopmissa. Like I said, I've ordered from them before, and the makeup products are just not to my liking. So I do like everything else on there, and I love the accessories, and I love everything else on there. So I will order from them again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have ordered from Shopmissa before, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know how you like it. But other than that, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.